not.
Are you fucking brain dead? Or just a fool? Gonna get yourself a steady job when you leave school. You're so overconfident, which I despise. I wish that you could see yourself through both my eyes. You wear a face to me, the faces that you meet. Every time you're walking down the street. Is it so hard just to comprehend? Now listen man, I'm only trying to be your friend. You broke my heart. Now you're taking like it's my fault.
It's not my fault. You broke my heart. Now you make me feel like it's my fault. It's not my fault.
So you're going out on the town and you feel the need to dress up. Well, let me tell you, you look like a clown in your orange skin and makeup. What's the story with the skirt you wear? Does it have to be so above the knee? You're trying so hard to impress that you're not impressing me.
You broke my heart, and now you make me feel like it's my fault. It's not my fault. You broke my... Come on, Dan.
Stop that, will you? It's really